There are many products available to choose string trimmers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best string trimmers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ego Power Plus 15-inch String Trimmer. Overall, our favorite option was Ego's Power Plus String Trimmer. Assembly took us 10 minutes, and we really liked that it comes with pre-mounted screws, so we didn't have to worry about losing any screws in the packaging. Despite having a larger battery, we were impressed by how lightweight this option was. This string trimmer was comfortable to use, and we appreciated that you can move the handle to different positions on the shaft. What we liked most, though, was the line load feature. Loading a new line was simple and intuitive, requiring us to only string a new line through the toolhead center and pressing a button for auto winding. When it came time to charge it, the battery only took a quick 20 minutes to charge fully, and this single charge was enough for us to get through 2 yards. Number 2. Worx 20 volts PowerShare GT Revolution 12-inch String Trimmer. Though this string trimmer is less expensive than other models we tested, we were impressed that the Worx GT Revolution string trimmer was able to stand up to the competition. This pick packs an edging tool and a mini mower into it, making for a great value overall. This option does a good job of nailing the finer details. We really liked that height adjustability was very quick and easy, and that we needed to press both a trigger and a safety switch to turn it on and off for added safety. When it came to navigating the string, this option was intuitive and a breeze to use. To feed more lines from the spool when it's on, all we had to do was press a button right by our thumb. Changing spools only required popping the old one off and putting the new one on. It also comes with an extra spool, providing even more value. Number 3. Makita Brushless String Trimmer Kit. We think this string trimmer from Makita is worth the investment. Assembly took us 10 minutes, and we only had to use the included hex wrench a handful of times. Plus, it earned bonus points by featuring a space in the shaft to store the hex wrench for easy accessibility. This lightweight option was fully capable of reaching everything that we needed it to, and our noise-sensitive tester also had no complaints about its sound levels. In terms of trimming power, it features 3 different speeds to be able to cut through larger growth, or to handle the finer trimming details around landscaping. The string trimmer features an automatic torque drive to handle speed adjustments on its own, and there's also a reverse button to untangle anything should it get stuck. It took the batteries on this option between 60 and 90 minutes to charge. Number 4. Greenworks 40 volts 13-inch Cordless String Trimmer. The Greenworks Cordless String Trimmer is the best string trimmer for anyone looking to focus on edging. It is lightweight and easy to hold for longer periods of time without getting uncomfortable. This pick features an automatic line that we really found to work well during testing. The string trimmer worked well for weeds, and despite only having one line and not having adjustable speeds, it was powerful enough to not get stuck on any vines. When it came to handling grass, this trimmer was exceptional. It features 2 wheels for better edging abilities, and the end of it rotates to ensure better maneuverability for a more precise edge. It also features a guard that works well for directing the trimmings away from the person trimming, or edging for an easy cleanup. Number 5. Husqvarna Cutting Path Detachable Gas String Trimmer. The Husqvarna gas string trimmer is the best string trimmer for those who prefer a gas option. It proved to be particularly powerful during testing, and worked equally well on grass, tall dandelions, and a very dense area of tall grass and weeds that we tested it out on. Plus, we found it light enough and easy to navigate around trickier areas. Compared with other gasoline-powered tools, this one proved easy to turn on and off. It featured a bump feed system that was intuitive and easy to use, and the line load system was very simple to operate, even for a first-timer. An instructional sticker on the motor made turning this on a breeze, and we appreciated that it has a viewing window to show how much fuel is left. One thing to be mindful of is that as a gas-powered option, it will probably be louder than a battery string trimmer. Additionally, the length isn't as adjustable as we would want. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.